We did speak about, why LIC is probably spiking, and Yash joins in to tell us a little more about this. The government likely to drop proposal to introduce open architecture for individual agents. Yeah.
Well, Mangalam, a few months ago, the government had put out a consultation paper. This was with respect to the Insurance Amendment Act. Essentially, the changes that the government wants to see as far as the Insurance Act itself is concerned. One of the points in that consultation paper was to allow individual agents to tie up with more than one life, one general and one health insurance company. Currently, as per the regulations, an individual agent can only tie up with one life, one general and one health insurance company. Now, the government's proposal, of course, to open this up, hence it was called open architecture. But LIC as well as SBI Life, two companies had resisted this move. In fact, even presented their take to the government, how this could be not just detrimental to their business, their own individual business, but for LIC is some company which has about 58% market share. Something like this could affect the whole life insurance sector in India itself. What we've been given to understand is that the government is likely to consider dropping this part of the proposal, which means if this particular proposal is dropped, then individual agents will be allowed to only tie up with one life, one general and one health insurance company. LIC's take was, of course, that they've invested in the agency network for years now, and it's a captive agency network. Then why should a proposal like this should come in the first place? Why is this very, very important for LIC and a big positive if it indeed gets dropped? That's because LIC gets 94% of its total premiums from individual agents. SBI Life gets about 21% of its total premium from individual agents. Hence, if these agents are allowed to be tied up with only one life insurance company, it certainly gives more certainty in terms of the business which LIC or SBI Life gets in that case.
Thank you so much, Yash, for joining us, giving us a sense of an important development that's unfolding as far as the space of insurance is concerned. Well, moving